So hello guys, today we are going to discuss this problem, design hit counter. So in this problem, we are given the timestamp on which the counter is hit. For example, hit happens on 1 second, then hit happens on 2, 3, and then get hit happens on fourth second. So whenever the get hit happens, we have to return all the hits which happened in past 300 seconds. So in this case, if we see 4, for example, 4 here, we get 4. So in this case, 4 minus 3 is 1, so it happens 1 second before. 4 minus 2 is 2, so it happens 2 seconds before. And 4 minus 1 is 1, so it happened 3 seconds before. 4 minus 1 is 3. So answer is 3. So now one more hit, which is 300. Let me go to the notepad. Okay, so this is our 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 2, so 4 is 4, 300. So now we have um, get it at 300. So get it at 300 will do what? How to check? So this is the hits. So we have 300 minus 300. So this is the time at which we want to get the hits, and this is the hits, actual hits, right? So this is equal to 0. So it means one hit happened just that second, 0 seconds before, so count would be 1. Then we will do 300 minus 3, which will be equal to 297. So uh, one hit happened before 297 seconds, so the total count will be 2. Then 300 minus 2 which will be equal to 298. So one hit happened before 298 seconds, so that is also fine. 300 minus 1, which will be equal to 299. So one hit happened before 299 seconds. That is also fine. So the total count is 4. Now we have get hit. Um, Now we have get hit at 301. So how it happens? Let's see. So 301. So these are the hits only. So we didn't get any new hit. So 301 minus 300 is 1. So we get one hit before for 1 second. Then 301 minus 3, which is equal to 298. We got one hit before 298 seconds. So this is counted as 2. 301 minus 2, which will be equal to 299. So we got it 3, and 301 minus 1, which will be equal to 300. So this will not be counted because we got one hit which is exactly 300 seconds before. So we only want to find all the hits which are in 300 seconds, that is within the 5 minutes. So its count is 3. So get hit 301 will return 3. So how we are going to solve it? It's very simple. This is I have taken a linear search, but you can change it to binary search as well. So we have taken, like I have taken a vector. So this will become a vector of int. So um, whenever a hit happens, that is we have a hit function. In that case, we are pushing back onto the vector. And whenever a get hit happens, that is this get hit, we are checking size of the vector. So in this case, size is 4. So let's consider this get hit 301. And if size is greater than, if size is first of all is equal to 0, so we are returning 0, nothing. But if size is greater than 1, then we are traversing back from the last element till we have entry which is greater than 300. That is which the entry whose difference is smaller than 300. So it goes to 300. So it finds 300 minus 301 minus 300, which comes out to be 1. So it goes inside, it increments the counter and decrements the size. So now we are here. Um, we are here. Let me on 3. Now the size is 3. So it checks size is 3 is fine. Timestamp, which is 301 minus V of 2, which is 3. So 301 minus 3 is equal to 298, which is again smaller than 300. So count becomes 2, and we increment the count S2 and decrement the size. So now it goes to here. So now size is 2. So 301 minus 2, which will be 299, which is again smaller than 300. So count becomes 3 and size becomes 1. So it comes here. Now size is 1, timestamp minus V of V minus, um, that is V of 1 minus 1, that is 0. So the first entry, it is not smaller than 300 because it is equal to 300. So it will not count it and it will come out. But the point to note here is all the timestamp are in increasing order, monotonically increasing order. So we can assume that we will have n number of entries and we can traverse from back to first. So we will not miss any timestamp entries. So this, and then we are returning the count. So this solution works. So this is accepted, and you can implement it using the binary search as well. So this is a very simple solution. Yeah, thanks a lot.